of automated test and test program review and the assessment. So these are key activities which will be performed normally in automated testing, and this is usually called automated testing life cycle methodology. ये सेंटर में जो सर्कल है इसमें हमने इसको हाईलाइट भी किया. ओके जनाब, if we compare fully a manual and partial automated test and a full automation और automated test, तो हम कह सकते हैं कि fully manual जो टेस्ट हैं they totally rely on manual testing, whereas partial automation offers redundancy but requires duplication of effort, and in fully automated test reliance on automated, it is having total reliance on automated testing. Similarly, manual testing is responsive and flexible, partial automation is also flexible, and fully automation testing is relatively inflexible. Manual testing is inconsistent, whereas partial, you may say, you can use the word consistent, and fully automated tests are very consistent. Fully manual tests are having low implementation cost, whereas high implementation cost is involved in fully automated tests. Fully manual test में जो repetition cost है वो increased होती है as compared to partial automation. In partial automation automates repetitive tasks and high return task, and in fully automated test, economics of scale in repetition and regression, etc. Low skills are required in manual testing, whereas in fully automated testing the high skill is required by the testers. There are some of the factors which are involved to determine whether we should go with the automated testing tools or not. For example, examining your existing set of test cases and the test scripts to see which ones are most applicable for test automation. Similarly, examine your current testing process and determine where it needs to be adjusted for using automated test tools. Be prepared to make changes in the current ways you perform testing. Involve the people who will be using the tool or automated tool to help design the automated testing process, and create a set of evaluation criteria for functions that you will want to consider when using the automated testing tool. और जो evaluation criteria है that may include the test repeatability, similarly critically risk of applications, and this evaluation criteria may include operational simplicity, ease of automation, and level of requirements and documentation. नेक्स्ट जो है वो हम बात करते हैं टेस्ट प्रोसेस की. सो प्राइमरीली जिस तरह से ये शो कर रही है स्लाइड पे, 3 मेन जो फेजेस हैं उसमें मैंने इसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया है. नंबर 1 पे टेस्ट प्लानिंग एंड प्रिपरेशन, नंबर 2 पे test execution and related activities. We will see in detail these all activities in our later slides. And number 3 पे है analysis and follow up. So let's see what happens in each of these stages. टेस्ट प्लानिंग एंड प्रिपरेशन को देखते हैं जनाब कि इसमें कौन कौन सी एक्टिविटीज़ परफॉर्म की जाती हैं या सब एक्टिविटीज़ कौन कौन सी हैं. Test planning activities enable us to do strategic thinking on what type of test scenario should be executed within the constraints of time and the budget. So a test plan outlines the classes of tests to be conducted. Primarily, it involves setting reliability and coverage goals, constructing new test cases, or gathering automatically those test cases, selecting them for existing ones and legacy products,